How do you feel?
Oh.
That was super fast.
Mhm.
You look good.
Mhm.
Say hi. Tell everybody hi.
I can't.
No.
No.
Do you feel crazy?
Mhm.
How'd you do with the needle, baby?
I did.
Did you?
Mhm.
That's good.
I did.
Can you feel anything?
Mhm.
You feel that part of your face?
Mhm.
Okay, that's good.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
You don't feel your lip at all? It's so hot in here.
Mm-mm.
No, you feel good?
Mm-mm. I can feel it.
You can feel your teeth?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? That's good. You're doing great. I'm proud of you. I'm so proud of you. That is creepy.
Where's my thumb?
It's in there somewhere. Yep, there she is. You're awesome, Whitty.
Okay. Some ice for you.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Does that feel good or too cold?
That's good.
Okay. Let me lift up your head off the pillow for a second. You okay?
Uh-huh.
All right, it's kind of tight.
Uh-huh.
And Tracy will be in and go over some instructions with you guys, okay?
All right, awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Whitty, say bye to the camera.
Bye.
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 She's doing awesome.